Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
I hope you've had some good sleep. Okay, so let's come to the moment of truth. The moment of truth is this, where yesterday, after we met with Sir Preston Song, we made it very clear to him that we will ask your decision what you are going to do with regards to whether you should wait here or whether you should go home. That decision belongs to each and every single one. It's not of a single person. So the wish of the government is this. The wish of the government is that we go home and we wait for the enhancement. That is the wish of the government. But we also told Preston that we all also like to hear the wish of the teacher. So when I ask you this question, you answer in only one line. Do not answer in a statement. Clear? Do not, it is an answer of 1 mark since all of you are teachers. 1 mark's answer, do not give me an answer of 5 marks. You might make some grammatical mistakes, then you will lose that 1 mark as well. So, the question is this. Should we continue to sit here or should we go home? Okay, so your answer will be only this. Sit here and wait. And the second answer is go home. Clear? So first I'll ask this section. What is your decision? I'll count in 3. You'll all answer at the same time. Whether you sit here and wait or you go home. Okay. Sit here and wait. Can we see your hands? Please raise your hands. Okay. But we'll also have another, you'll have to ask others as well. Teachers over there, I'll count to 3. Sit here and wait or go home. Sit here and wait, raise your hands. Go home, raise your hands. Let me ask this section. Sit here and wait or go home?
Sit here and wait.
Sit here and wait.
Yes.
Raise your hands. Anyone going home? Okay. Teachers over there. Sit here and wait or go home? It sounded very... Anyone going home? Raise your hands. No. Sit here and wait. Raise your hands. Okay. Come to this side. Last. This side. All together. Okay? Sit here and wait or we go home?
Sit here and wait.
Sit here and wait. Raise your hands. Sit here and wait. Okay. So now I would like to ask our friends from Garo Hills. I've already asked actually our friends from Garo Hills because it is also important that we know what is the decision of the people in Garo Hills. So where's my phone? Yes, sir? Okay, sir.